we are from A-Star Finishing, and today let me bring you all to see one of our completed project located in New Punggol BTO. Come. This is an aluminium pull system wardrobe. Same thing, wood grain transfer, aluminium bifold door with soft closing, and a mirror at the side. Same thing, the hinge also can go up to 165 degrees. Aluminium drawers with soft closing, and round edge. All soft closing, wood grain transfer, zero formaldehyde. Aluminium bifold door, and a mirror that can turn up. Same thing, aluminium pull system wardrobe with super soft closing too. No formaldehyde, as in you can move in straight next day after installations.